Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to change the payment mode in a sales bill in Logic ERP. So, let's get started. First, let's go to the Sale Bill module and generate the sales bill. As you can see, the payment mode is set to credit. Let's save this sales bill in credit mode. Let's also have a glimpse of its reflection in the account-wise daily sale report, item-wise. As you can see, since the sales bill was saved in credit mode, the full amount is reflected under the credit amount column. Now, let's change the payment mode for this bill. To do this, go to the Change Sale Bill Payment Mode module. Select the relevant sale bill from here. Then click on Change Payment Mode. The payment window then opens. From here, you can change the mode of payment. Since this bill was saved in credit mode, the bill amount is currently shown in credit amount field. Now, let's change the payment mode from credit amount to a check amount. Enter the required check details and save the payment. As you can see, the bill amount has been moved from the credit amount field to the check amount field and also displayed the relevant check details. Finally, click on Save and then click Yes on the confirmation message to update the payment mode. Now, let's have a glimpse of its reflection in the account-wise daily sale report, item-wise. As observed, the payment mode has been successfully updated for the same bill, and the bill amount is now reflected under the check amount column along with its relevant details. Let's generate another sales bill on credit and later change its mode of payment. Transact the item and proceed to save the bill using the credit payment mode. Now, go to the Change Sale Bill Payment Mode module and select the relevant sales bill. Click on Change Payment Mode. Now, let's change the payment mode to credit card. To update the payment mode to credit card, you can either press the F5 key or access the multiple payment mode option. First, remove the existing amount from the credit field. Then, press the space bar in the credit card number field and select the appropriate card. We have already created some cards within the system. Proceed by selecting the card through which you are receiving the payment and enter the corresponding amount in the credit card amount field. As you can see, the payment amount is now reflected under the credit card mode. Let's proceed to save the payment and then review its reflection in the account-wise daily sales report, item-wise. As shown, the payment has been successfully reflected under the credit card mode, confirming accurate posting of the transaction.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.